Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're looking at 15 amazing chainsaw attachments that can make your saw more powerful, versatile, and efficient. Get ready to see how much more your chainsaw can do. CAMBER debarker attachment. The Hedge CAMBER debarker attachment weighs 2.9 kilograms without the engine. It fits a short guard at 0.585 kilograms or a long one at 0.825. Requiring 1.2 kilowatts, about 1.6 horsepower, it peels 120 millimeters wide using 4 replaceable double-sided blades, each 30 millimeters. Bark Beetle Scraper. The Bark Beetle Scraper attachment is a durable chainsaw-mounted tool that removes bark to disrupt beetle habitats. It weighs about 2.65 kilograms, runs on chainsaws with at least 1.2 kilowatts power, and uses 4 replaceable blades for efficient scraping. Clip-in trim. The clip-in trim is a zinc-plated steel attachment that turns a chainsaw into a hedge trimmer. It has 2-inch tines spaced 1 inch apart and cuts branches up to 1 inch thick. Easy to install by sliding spring fingers under bar stud nuts and securing with a bolt. It's durable, versatile, and ideal for tree care, landscaping, and home use. ST661. The ST661 Terminator is a lightweight chainsaw attachment that converts an ST661 into a stump grinder. Weighing under 55 pounds, it's easy to carry and use in tight spaces like lawns or golf courses. Made from durable UK materials, it removes 14-inch stumps in under 8 minutes, giving tree care professionals a fast, portable, and profitable solution. Hedge trimmer attachment. The hedge trimmer attachment is designed for decorative trimming of bushes with branches up to 40 millimeters thick. Compatible with most chainsaws and electric saws, it features a welded comb construction secured to the chainsaw bar with special clamps, offering a simple and effective way to convert a saw into a powerful hedge cutting tool. Atom drill attachment. The Drill Master is an Australian-made engine drill with a patented automatic reverse gear system, delivering up to 10 times faster gear changes and safer operation. Built with hardened steel components and a self-locking collar, it drills holes from 3/8 inch to 1¼ inch in hardwoods and softwoods. Pro models handle all hardwoods, while economy and intermediate models cover most up to 3/4 inch. Big Mill System. Big Mill System is a portable sawmill for cutting giant logs on site. With dual guide rails for stability and precision, it quickly produces wide, rough-edged boards. Easy to set up in minutes, it handles logs up to 2.7 meters long and 110 centimeters in diameter, with extensions available for longer timber. Manual Chainsaw Sharpener. The Manual Chainsaw Sharpener is a solid anodized aluminum jig for fast, accurate field sharpening. Using solid carbide helically ground tooling, it sharpens each tooth with step-and-repeat precision, switching between right and left teeth in seconds. Ideal for firefighters, woodsmen, and loggers, it offers a superior, reliable solution for on-site chainsaw resharpening. TerraTrencher. The TerraTrencher is a compact, versatile mini-trencher for fast, efficient trench digging with minimal ground disturbance. Usable freehand or with a wheel support accessory, it enables quick backfilling and cleanup. Its lightweight build and ergonomic grip make it easy to handle in tight spaces, offering a practical alternative to bulky trenching machines for professionals and DIY users. Drill attachment for chainsaw. The Bristol drill attachment transforms a chainsaw into a powerful wood drilling tool, adding versatility and value. Durable and easy to use, it handles drilling tasks without separate heavy machinery. Ideal for professionals and DIY users, it boosts functionality while saving time, space, and effort on the job. Chainsaw carving mill attachment. The chainsaw carving mill attachment is a lightweight yet durable log notcher designed with a V-belt drive, 3:2 pulley reduction ratio, and a reinforced aluminum alloy frame with added titanium for strength without excess weight. It comes equipped with 12 sharp blades and 2 V-belts, ensuring reliable performance even on the hardest woods for slotting, smoothing knots, or precision notching. Chainsaw Mill Winch Kit. The Chainsaw Mill Winch Kit makes sawmilling smoother, easier, and more precise. Turning the winch handle moves the mill steadily across the log, reducing strain and creating cleaner slab surfaces. Its upgraded lever arm, made with saw-coup, tilts back automatically to protect the chain. Designed for convenience and accuracy, it's an ideal upgrade for portable chainsaw mills. Sharp Pebble Sharpener Kit. The Sharp Pebble Sharpener Kit is a user-friendly electric chainsaw sharpener designed to restore even the dullest chains quickly and precisely. Its ergonomic design and built-in chain angle guide make it easy to maintain the correct sharpening angle, whether right or left-handed. Unlike hand files, it ensures every tooth is sharpened to the same angle and depth for a razor-sharp, consistent finish. Granberg Alaskan Mill. The Granberg Alaskan Mill is a heavy-duty chainsaw mill made in the USA from aircraft-grade aluminum and zinc-plated steel. Clamping directly onto the chainsaw bar without drilling, it cuts planks and beams up to 26 inches wide and ½ inch to 13 inches deep. Lightweight and portable, it lets you mill lumber on-site with no prior experience needed. Pole Saw Attachment. The pole saw attachment from Echo's Pro Attachment Series, PAS, provides up to 8 feet of reach while keeping your feet safely on the ground. It comes standard with a 10-inch bar and chain for excellent cutting capacity, with the option to upgrade to a 12-inch bar for added versatility. Built with a heavy-duty gear case and an automatic oiler that ensures smooth operation in all conditions. That's it for today's list of game-changing chainsaw attachments. Thanks for watching Chop Busters. Be sure to subscribe for more sharp tips and tools, and stay tuned for what's coming next.